A kingdom with tundra, jungles, deserts, and volcanoes? Hyrule is a geologist's fever dream. But have you ever wondered how this world would actually function if it were real? Let's discuss the physics of the untamed landscape. In Breath of the Wild, you can hike from a parched desert to a humid rainforest in a single day. In our world, that journey usually spans thousands of miles. So how is this possible? It all comes down to orographic precipitation, the rain shadow effect. The Gerudo Desert is bone dry because it's trapped behind the Gerudo Highlands. Let me explain. As moist winds hit those peaks, the air is forced upward, it cools, and it damps all its rain on the windward side. By the time it reaches the desert, there's nothing left. It's the exact same mechanism that created the Atacama Desert in Chile, the arid Tibetan plateau behind the Himalayas. Now, what about the Great Plateau? It's a massive tableland high above the fields. This is a classic case of tectonic uplift. Imagine a huge chunk of the Earth's crust being shoved vertically along deep-seated fault lines. This is how the Himalayas rose when India crashed into Asia. Hyrule's plateau is a miniature version, a block of durable rock raised by intense subsurface pressure with its sheer cliffs carved by ages of wind and water erosion. It's a relic of ancient forces that proves Hyrule is tectonically alive. Then there's Death Mountain. This is a textbook stratovolcano, a steep cone built from layers of explosive ash and thick lava. See those black cracks? That's solidified basalt from ancient flows. But look closer at the map. Death Mountain is actually a volcano inside of a volcano. We see multiple Neso calderas, suggesting this peak has blown its top and rebuilt itself in massive cycles. It's the same lava cake geology seen at Taal in the Philippines or Krakatoa in Indonesia. But living on these slopes is a gamble. Stratovolcanoes unleash pyroclastic flows, avalanches of superheated gas and ash moving up at 700 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a Formula 1 car. A Hylian town here would be Pompeii 2.0. Good thing Gorons eat rocks and are fireproof. Finally, let's talk about deep time. Remember those giant Leviathan skeletons? Finding a whale in the middle of the Gerudo Desert isn't just a fantasy element, it's a direct parallel to Egypt's Whale Valley. In our world, the Sahara Desert has a site called Wadi al-Hitan, full of 40-million-year-old fossil whales with vesicle legs. It proves that the Sahara was once a shallow, lush sea. And Hyrule's geology is telling the same story. Climates and land elevations have swung wildly over millions of years. Hyrule is a living laboratory of Earth's most violent and beautiful processes. Next time you scale a cliff, look at the rocks. They're telling a story that's older than the kingdom itself. Which region should we investigate next? Let me know in the comments.